You sure this is the right place?
Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Are you the food guy?
Weren't you guys supposed to come at 5?
No. Well, it's 5:30.
Come on in.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so what you're gonna do is get your chicken. Grab your knife, obviously, and start cutting up into little bits.
When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit.
So what you want to do now is you want to obviously season this. I usually, when I cut them up, get a little bowl. Got that. Stick it to the board. It's instant rice. If you don't know how to make this, you're pretty dumb. Gotta cut your peppers.
Good job, Devin. Look at those onions.
Now you're gonna saute these bad boys. Hit D-roll. D-rolls. It's a big onion.
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 So what I normally use is garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper. First, it doesn't really matter what order you start in. Put a little something there. Yeah, we can speed through some. So you're gonna want some olive oil.
Wow.
So this is gonna be a little nasty, but I just don't like using spatulas. So you're gonna go hands in.
Always sanitize your hands after cooking.
Start cooking your chicken. You want to turn the heat up so the cooking chicks a little bit faster. You can hear that nice sizzling.
Oh, is that a creeper?
Microwave, like,
Look at that sizzle.
Look at the sizzle. This is why I'm the cook and you're the cameraman.
You know what? I see.
Time to plate. A little bit of rice.
give me rice.
So I prepared you gentlemen some fine chicken and rice. You got some soy sauce. Got your drinks. Max, here you go. Chef Wagner, there you go.
Mmm.